Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best pot for a fiddle leaf fig. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with La Jolie Muse Ceramic Planter. Are you looking for a vintage accent pot for your fiddle leaf fig? If yes, La Jolie Muse Ceramic Planter is one of your best options. The pot is cylindrical with a pattern of concave dots, creating a vintage flair that offers a sleek and less slippery touch when holding it. It comes in a set of two pots with different dimensions of 6.7 inches depth by 5.7 inches height and 5.5 inches depth by 5 inches height. The set is of high quality as it is made of premium ceramic, is stylish, and can be easily cleaned due to its waterproof coating. Additionally, it has a drain hole at the bottom for drainage. Aveyas 6-inch ceramic planter pot. Another suitable pot for your fiddle leaf fig that may be used indoors or outdoors is the Aveyas 6-inch ceramic planter pot. This pot looks very attractive compared to others in the market because it has a 100% glazed finish on both the outside and inside, making it both easy to clean and glamorous. It is ideal for fiddle leaf fig trees and other decorative plants. Like La Jolie Muse, it is similarly made of premium ceramic, but has other added advantages such as a separate pot stand made of high-quality bamboo, 100 grams of planter filler, a drainage net, and a rubber plug. Its size is 5.9-inch depth by 5.8-inch height and has a larger pot stand. Kante 12-inch square concrete planter. Just like Aveyas, the Kante 12-inch square concrete planter is another appropriate pot for planting your fiddle leaf fig either indoors or outdoors. The pot has an authentic surface finish and graceful curves which make it stylish. It is made from a mixture of fiberglass and concrete, making it more durable, stronger, and weather resistant. It is large and versatile, which provides optimal growing space. It has a good drainage system with several drainage holes to regulate water flow. Which is the best? The Aveyas 6-inch ceramic planter pot is the best option because of its outstanding appearance, suitability for both office and home decor, and ease of cleaning. Its average size suits fiddle leaf figs, while its free and quality pot stand provides an added advantage. Thanks for watching.